Cheerio, lads!
The first thing we're going to do today is say the Pledge of Allegiance together. So please stand with me, face your flag in your classroom, and place your right hand over your heart.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's lunch menu is noodle bowl, cheesy barbecue beef on bun, pizza bar, sub bar, garden fresh salad bar, garden fresh salad, baby carrots, seasoned fries, chilled fresh fruit, and Italian bread.
Miles of Smiles permission slips were handed out several days ago. Miles of Smiles is a free dental program that is offered to all students. They will be at our school on January 6th. For all freshmen, this will work for your dental requirement. Permission slips are due by December 18th. Please see Nurse Katie if you have any questions or to turn in your permission slips.
Juniors, the Calvin Coolidge Scholarship is available for juniors only. All applicant materials, including the essay and letter of reference, must be submitted by the deadline of Tuesday, December 16th.
Continue the countdown to Christmas with the Christmas Coloring Contest. The contest sheets are located in the makerspace. Color your best and turn it in to Mrs. Leslie to receive candy and an entry into the December prize drawing. Celebrate the season with our Christmas Countdown book display. Each book features a title with a number. But if you'd rather skip the numbers, pick any Christmas or holiday book instead. Count down the days with a new festive read. FFA Blood Drive, December 12th from 7:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. If you are 16 years or older and want to donate, talk to an FFA member or Miss Nichols. All donors with a valid email will receive an Amazon gift card.
Hey y'all, it's not too late to donate blood. If you are donating blood today, please make sure that you are taking your driver's license or your donor ID card to your appointment. Before your appointment, please complete the Rapid Pass on your phone or computer.
A message from P3D. School is a key step in your journey. Whether aiming for college, trade school, or your own business, prioritizing academics now helps set you up for success. Even if your future path isn't clear yet, avoiding alcohol is one way to guard your grades and progress.
FFA Canned Food Drive. For every 3 food items or $5 you donate, you will be entered into a raffle for a $50 JCBA gift card. We will draw for the gift card at the halftime of the varsity boys game. We will be collecting cash and non-perishable food donations. This will be on Friday, December 19th. The collections start at 4:30 p.m. and end at halftime of the varsity boys game.
Hey, Panthers, it's that time of year to get ready for an ugly Christmas sweater contest. That's right, on Friday, as a part of our Winter Sports Assembly that'll start at 2 p.m., we will reveal the winners of the Christmas Spirit Ugly Sweater Contest. Teachers, you will be voting on students. Students, you will be voting on teachers. We are also going to have special visitors from the North Pole. Let's get ready.
Attention early graduates, please check your email for an important message from the technology department about keeping your Chromebooks. Visit the help desk with any questions. Cold warning, bring your school Chromebook inside. This is a very important reminder. Always bring your Chromebook inside your home every day.
In the Media Center, Beyond the Bells tutoring program offers homework, quiz, and test assistance before school, Monday through Friday between 7:15 and 8:05 a.m., and after school, Monday through Thursday between 3:10 and 4:45 p.m. Snacks are available too. For more information, contact either Mrs. Lauren Callal or Mrs. Melanie Fessler.
This is a friendly reminder that Beyond the Bells is only going to have tutoring on Monday and Tuesday of next week before finals.
The writing lab hours are 6th hour and 8th hour. The current focus is on college applications and the scholarship letters.
Hey, Blue Crew members, this announcement is specifically for you. For those of you who are trying to use your Blue Crew card to enter games or school events, you must show your card. If you do not show your card, you will have to pay to enter the event. Hey, FCA members, please check Remind for a message about this weekend. Have a fantastic day, Panthers. Let me leave you with a quote from Muhammad Ali. To be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. If you're not, pretend you are.